I've told you many times. See, most of you are complaining that you don't have a girlfriend, but the truth is, people around you like you and you don't even realize it. Even if you don't think so, that crush that you're crushing over, chances are she's crushing over you too, and you both are just not breaking the ice. So today I'm gonna help you out. Today I'm gonna give you the signs you need to look out for, that when you see them, know that they like you, even if you don't think so. Let's hop into this. Number one, and probably the most important, is that their body language is open up to you. See, your body, it'll speak volumes. It'll say a lot more than what their mouth is saying. What you need to look at is that next time that you're in a room with them or you're talking to them, what is their body doing? If their toes are pointing towards you, their torso is pointing towards you, and their body is wide open, know that this is open body language, and usually a very strong sign that they are attracted to you, because they want zero friction between you and them. Number two, you're gonna notice that they blink a lot less around you. See, according to psychology today, the more people are dissatisfied or the more anxious they are, the more they end up blinking more. Meaning that next time you're in a conversation with her and you notice that her blink rate starts to slow down, she's probably pleased with you. That means she wants to take more of you in. And it makes sense. Bro, look at that handsome godliness that's sitting in front of her. Your boy hooked you up so much that you're irresistible. Like, yo, it makes a lot of sense. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna hook you up even more. See, our He Grooming Company, the company that we created so men can look sexier, it's going on sale. See, this Black Friday, boys, this is the first sale we ever do with He Grooming. It'll be large, like very large. See, our products are already affordable because I want them attainable for everybody. Not only do they look sexy in the bathroom, I want them to make you look sexy as well. Well, everything in the store will be up to 50% off. You heard that right. This November 27th at 10 a.m. Eastern, everything in our He Grooming store is going up to 50% off, so it can be as affordable as possible and more dudes out there can look sexy, which means for you, one, you want to put a reminder on your phone because inventory is very limited for this. This is probably gonna fly in like 0.01 seconds. And then two, start saving. Like literally start saving, and when you go in there, buy as much as you can and stock up, because we will never do 50% off. Like I said, our products are already so affordable, so when we do 50% off, we're basically losing money, but that's fine, because I want you guys to try some of the best grooming products for men out there so you can look and feel more handsome. Like I said, boys, put that reminder on your phone. Both the tools and the grooming products themselves are going on sale, which means not only is it a great gift for yourself, but it's gonna be a great gift for Christmas. So if you guys wanna check it out, remember, put a reminder on your phone. I would even click the link down below, sign up to the newsletter. That way when we inform you that the sale's going on, you can be one of the first ones there. Number three, they act a little bit awkward around you. You have to understand that most people walk around with insecurities. And both of you are probably stuck in this mental tug of war because both of you are being awkward and nobody's making that first move. I promise you, they're just as paralyzed as you are. So if you've been looking for a sign from the heavens of what to do, here's your sign. Text her. Go ahead, text them. Your crush, grab your phone, text them right now. Chances are she's overthinking the exact same thing you're thinking, so just do it. Number five, she's a good listener. See, if a person is great to talk to, she's always there for you. She listens to everything. She'll even be in those long night conversations with you. She probably likes you. See, you gotta understand that nobody's gonna waste their time listening to another person if they are not 100% interested in that person. Number five, look at their cup positioning. See, anytime you're talking to a girl, chances are there's gonna be food involved, whether that's at a bar, at a restaurant, at a club, or a house party. She will most likely have a drink. Notice where that drink is placed. See, if the drink is placed in between both of you, this is her creating a physical barrier. We do this subconsciously without thinking, but what it does is it's basically creating like a blockage between you and her. When there's actual interest, that drink will be placed on the outside, so there is zero friction between you and her, creating that open dialogue and a huge sign that there is interest. And finally, number six, you lead, they're gonna follow. See, when somebody is 100% interested in you, they are going to mirror your movements without even realizing it. It's just subconscious, it happens naturally. So next time you're in conversation with somebody, I want you to change your position. The way you're sitting, I want you to just change completely and then pay attention. I bet you in the next 20 to 30 seconds, she will mimic that same position and change positions as well, letting you know that she is mirroring you, because there's 100% interest. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget that our Black Friday launch for He Grooming is November 27th. You're not gonna wanna miss it. That's it for me today. See you next time.